Hello guys, today I show you how to create beautiful real image like me on Midjourney. Let's start step by step. Then after, I show you how change image into speaking avatar like me.
So let's start. First open Google search bar, type Midjourney. Open it, this type of interface open. Then go bottom, click on join the beta. Then fill your username and click on continue button, then click on I am human. Then after choose right image like here I choose image containing ocean, then click on verify. Enter your date of birth, click on done. Here, fill your email ID and password and claim account. If you want to download app, then click on it and get the desktop app, but I don't want it. So I cut. Then choose your pronoun, he or she, click on next. Choose your continent, then click on finish button. This type of interface open. See, different type of amazing images are created by people with this strong AI. Which generate image from text. So we start our work. See on left side of screen, there is newbies 23, 53, and 83. Choose any room to generate image. So I choose first one. Then see in bottom, there is resend verification. Email is written, click on it, and verify your email. Click on OK, then open your email and click on blue button verify email. Your email successfully verified. Then click on continue to Discord. This type of interface open. Go to top of left side. There is image of boat called Midjourney. Click on it. Let's start our image generation. In bottom, type this symbol, then click on Imagine prompt option and write your text, which describes your image. So I type here, a girl is riding horse with her cat in dark forest. 3D render, then click enter. And click on accept twos. Are already joined. See, my image is now ready. Click on image, then on open in browser. And to download this image, right click and save image in gallery. For single image. First image, choose U1. For second, choose U2. And if you want variation in first image, then click on V1. So I want first one, click on U1 and it start generating it. If you want to cancel it, then click on cancel job. But I don't want. Remember, your work always show in yellow color, find it by scrolling. So this is my image. Click on it and download. And to download this image, right-click and save image in gallery. Let upscale my image. I want some change, so click on Make Variation. Then download it. And to download this image, right-click and save image in gallery. See what people do on another room. See? Amazing. Wow. 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 You don't know how to write text, then simply copy the text if you want similar type image. Generate girl edit in text bar and click enter. Download it. And to download this image, right-click and save image in gallery.
To generate image like me, check description where I provide you similar image text. I hope you find this video helpful. If any problem happens, then feel free to ask question in comment section. Stay connected with us for more. Update. Kiss the red subscribe button. Thank you.